In this video, we're gonna learn how to change name on Honkai Star Rail. To change your name on Honkai Star Rail, first open your Honkai Star Rail application and make sure that you are logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, go and tap on the mobile phone icon at the top left-hand corner. This will then open up your profile. Tap on the three dots right next to your name and in the expanded pop-up, tap on Trailblazer Profile. Now, you'll be able to see your character and your name. Tap the pencil icon right next to the name and then enter your preferred name. In the text box, you'd want to change to. After you are done typing in your name, tap on Confirm. But remember that you will not be able to edit your name again after 72 hours of the last edit. To confirm the change, tap Confirm and you'll be able to change your name. Tap on Confirm one more time and that is how you should be able to change your name on Honkai Star Rail. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.